Imagine a world where toothpaste doesn't just clean teeth. Welcome to the first life hack. Now let's get those tarnished trinkets gleaming again. All you need is a dab of toothpaste. Apply it gently to your jewelry, work it in with a soft cloth, then rinse. Voila! The toothpaste's gentle abrasives work wonders on dirt and grime, making your jewelry shine bright like a diamond. Sparkling clean jewelry, and you didn't even need to leave your home. Amazing, right? Now let's move on to something you'll find in your kitchen: vinegar. Vinegar, an unsung hero in the world of DIY. Its superpower: stain removal. Let's break it down. You've got a fresh stain on your favorite shirt. You're thinking it's game over for that shirt, right? Not so fast. Vinegar to the rescue. Here's how it works. First, blot the stain with a dry cloth to remove any excess. Then, grab a bowl, fill it with equal parts white vinegar and warm water. Soak the stained garment in this solution for 15 to 30 minutes. Once the soaking time is up, gently rub the stain. It should start to fade. Rinse with cool water, then launder as usual. Your shirt should come out looking as good as new. This is just a glimpse into the power of vinegar. It's not just for salads anymore. Say goodbye to stubborn stains with this simple household item. Ever thought baking soda could be a lifesaver outside the kitchen? Here's how. This humble white powder is a DIY enthusiast's dream. It's non-toxic, readily available, and incredibly versatile. Let's talk about kitchen appliances. Over time, they can build up some tough grime, but baking soda is here to save the day. First, create a paste using 3 parts baking soda and 1 part water. The consistency should be thick enough to stick to surfaces. Apply this paste to your grimy appliances, whether it's your oven, microwave, or refrigerator. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then, using a damp cloth, wipe away the paste. You'll be amazed at how easily the grime comes off, leaving your appliances looking shiny and new. Plus, it's a natural deodorizer, so your kitchen will smell fresh too. And there you have it, shiny appliances with a little help from baking soda. Love coffee? You'll love this hack even more. You know those used coffee grounds you toss out after brewing a fresh pot? Well, turns out they're not just for the trash can. They're actually a secret weapon for your garden. Yes, you heard right. Coffee grounds make an excellent natural fertilizer for plants. They're rich in nitrogen, a nutrient that plants crave, and also improves soil structure and fertility. Here's how it works. Just collect your used coffee grounds and let them cool down. Then all you've got to do is sprinkle them around your plants. It's as simple as that. The grounds slowly release their nutrients into the soil, feeding your plants and helping them grow strong and healthy. And the best part, it's completely organic and eco-friendly. So next time you finish that cup of joe, remember, don't throw those grounds away. Who knew coffee could give you a green thumb? We've seen some incredible life hacks today. Let's take a moment to appreciate the simplicity and ingenuity of the everyday items we've used. First, we discovered the magic of toothpaste, not just for sparkling teeth, but also as a surprisingly effective cleaning agent. This humble tube in your bathroom can polish silver, remove water rings from wooden surfaces, and even clear up hazy car headlights. Who would have thought? Then, we explored the power of vinegar. This common kitchen staple is not only an excellent culinary ingredient, but it's also a natural and non-toxic way to clean and disinfect surfaces. From restoring shine to your stainless steel to fighting stubborn stains, vinegar truly packs a punch. We also delved into the multi-purpose marvel of baking soda. Beyond baking, this magic powder can deodorize, clean, and even extinguish small fires. It's the superhero of household items. And finally, we unearthed the wonders of used coffee grounds. Instead of tossing them in the garbage, we learned how they can enrich your garden soil, scrub your dishes, and even freshen up your fridge. The potential of these leftovers is simply astounding. These life hacks demonstrate the remarkable potential of ordinary items around us. So next time you reach for that toothpaste, vinegar, baking soda, or coffee grounds, remember, they're capable of so much more. Remember to like, share, and follow for more ingenious life hacks. You'll be amazed at what you can do with everyday items.